The Random Jottings of Donald J. in Nelson in Pendle, Lancashire. The right to silently to pray in the street or anywhere in the UK. Introduction. The right to pray silently in the street or anywhere else in the UK is a contentious issue that touches upon several fundamental rights, including freedom of expression, religion, and assembly. While the UK has a long-standing tradition of religious tolerance and respect for individual freedoms, there have been instances where this right has been challenged by local authorities or other groups. This study seeks to explore the legal and social context of the right to silently pray in the UK, including relevant legislation, case law, and cultural attitudes. Legal context. The UK has a robust legal framework that protects freedom of religion and expression. The European Convention on Human Rights, ECHR, which has been incorporated into UK law by the Human Rights Act 1998, guarantees the right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion, Article 9, and the freedom of expression, Article 10. This means that individuals have the right to hold and express their religious beliefs in public and private, as long as they do not interfere with the rights of others. However, this right is not absolute and can be limited in certain circumstances. The ECHR permits restrictions on these rights if they are necessary in a democratic society, for example, to protect public order, health, or morals. The UK also has a range of laws, such as the Public Order Act 1986 and the Anti-Social Behaviour, Crime and Policing Act 2014. That regulate public behavior and may restrict the right to pray silently in certain situations. Case law. There have been several high-profile cases in the UK involving the right to pray silently in public. In 2013, a group of Christian evangelists were arrested for preaching and praying in a public shopping centre in Bristol. The group argued that they were exercising their right to freedom of expression and religion, but the police claimed that they were causing a disturbance and breaching the peace. The case went to court, and the judge ruled that the group's behavior was lawful, and they were not causing a disturbance. The judge stated that individuals have the right to express their beliefs in public, even if it may cause offense to others, as long as they do not threaten violence or public order. In 2016, a Muslim woman was fined by police for praying in a public park in London. The woman argued that she was exercising her right to freedom of religion, but the police claimed that she was breaching a public order by law. The case went to court, and the judge ruled that the woman's behavior was not a breach of the public order by law and that she had the right to pray in public. Cultural attitudes. Attitudes towards public prayer in the UK vary depending on the religion and cultural context. While the UK has a long-standing tradition of religious tolerance and respect for individual freedoms, there have been instances of hostility and intolerance towards certain groups. In recent years, there have been reports of hostility towards Muslims praying in public, with some incidents involving verbal abuse and physical attacks. Conclusion. The right to silently pray in the street or anywhere else in the UK is a fundamental right protected by law. While this right is not absolute and can be restricted in certain circumstances, individuals have the right to express their religious beliefs in public as long as they do not interfere with the rights of others. It is essential that authorities and society as a whole respect and protect this right and promote a culture of tolerance and respect towards all religious beliefs. By Donald J.